What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be finally slamming the IS. Now before I just kind of slammed the rear and I left the front kind of high just so I could still have some clearance because I had some fat tires. I had some 225 40s on the front, which were literally like sitting on the fenders without even turning them, just like that. And yeah, full lock, you can imagine how much it was actually rubbing on the fender, like it was like almost about to buckle them. So now I got some smaller tires. I got some 215 40s. Now I was gonna originally go with 205 40s because these are by 8s in the front, but I have another set of wheels that I'm gonna be throwing on in the front in a few months once I get kind of bored of this whole like look. It's pretty much the same exact look, but they're a lot more, you know, aggressive specs. So I'm gonna throw these wheels on there so they can have a gnarly stretch, because if I had the 205s it would be showing barrel. So this is already going to be kind of, you know, pushing the limit, or I might just buy new tires, I don't know. But that's why I didn't want to do like a crazy stretch. And two, I do daily this car, it is my daily, and I drive it pretty far and I drive it a lot, so I don't want to have like, you know, be stupid slammed and all that, like sitting on the ground. So I was going to lower it maybe half an inch. I guess we'll just see. On the front, the rear, I'm not going to touch the rear is perfect, but it sits like this, I should say like that, and I want it to sit more, you know, level. I'm going to get my spanner wrenches, but I have them back here, and I still have my tires. Literally, they're brand new, guys. Spent a lot of money just to take them off, just to buy brand new wheels like a month later, or tires I should say. But yeah, now I'll try to get these out. It would be a nightmare to get these out because I know I struggled so hard to get these in there. Whew. Got this side about half an inch lowered, and from fender to lip I was running before like I think like 2 inches, a little under 2 inches, but pretty much 2 inches. So yeah, and before my lip didn't barely touch, so now my lip's probably gonna touch. I don't want to drop it too hard because my wheels aren't bolted up all the way. Oh mama. Oh mama. I'm gonna be super pissed if I fuck up these fenders, because it's the whole reason I didn't lower the car that much, but I guess we'll see. Now to do the other side. Way to ruin my car. It's finally lowered. I got this side lowered, you guys already saw that. Now I got this side lowered. Obviously it's jacked up right now, but I just want to see how much it cambers in. Oh crap. Oh yeah, I got oh no, that's tight. I got clearance, but that's still really tight, and then this bracket's probably gonna hit, so I'm gonna have to bend that back. But now to see how the hell I'm gonna get it out of my driveway, because you guys already saw. And I went straight, and now, oh my gosh, that's, oh. Alright, so I got it out of my driveway, and yeah, it lowered a lot more than what I took out. I took out like half an inch, and it lowered like 2 inches. So, yeah, actually, it actually dropped like 1.5 inches, a little bit more. But, oh fuck, man, I can't even turn getting out of my driveway. Like, I had to like do like a bunch of little turns like that, and then like slide out like that. So I think I'm just gonna go for a drive right now and see what happens. Get a nice video of my fenders before they get ruined. I'm gonna try not to ruin them, but that's gonna be really hard. Oh fuck. Alright guys, so the car is now all lowered. I don't really know if I want to go any lower in the front because the upper control arms already smack a little bit, like going on the freeway and stuff. And it gets a little annoying, but I did have it a lot lower before, and I kind of got used to it, and then I stiffened them up, so then I raised the car, and then now I lowered it again. So I don't know, I might lower it a little bit, just a little bit. And then also, as you can see, I have a brand new lip because I hit a semi-truck tire the other day on the freeway. It just came out of nowhere, it came rolling, and it was already like in pieces, so that's good. It wasn't like with the rim or anything, and it smacked the front and it ripped the lip off. I have it in the back of my truck, I'll show you guys right now. This side skirt got messed up right here, the paint. And then I also got some little blemishes right there. And then I got a brand new lip because my other lip broke because of just scraping up and down my driveway. So I have a whole new lip kit, I guess you can say, except for side skirts. So I think I'm just going to paint everything again. And this time I'm not going to try that hard because, as you can see, the paint doesn't really match up. And it kind of bugs me. And I spent a lot of time on this trying to get it to be perfect. So I spent a lot of time, a lot of money to get them to be as perfect as possible, and one, that doesn't even match, and two, I'm just going to beat them up and just scrape them up. So these, I'm just going to kind of throw some paint on it just so they kind of match the car, and then that'll be it. But that's it for this video. I'll just show you guys the lip real quick. I'm also bleeding my hydro because I had some issues there. But yeah, here's the rest of the lip. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.